Hey guys, Rock Eastwood. How's that for a morning view? I'm in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and let's take a tour. I'm on the bike and let's ride around. I'll take you to the Capitol and some other historical spots, and yeah, let's just have a good morning, some exercise, and let's do it. Sorry. Going down one-way streets. I forgot which way the Capitol is. Totally forgot. My bad. I shouldn't be going down one-way streets even on a bike. Let me find out where the Capitol building is. That looks like a nice church. Must be old. Beautiful. Lots of history in Harrisburg, and one of the most beautiful state capitals there is. Let me try to get a view of it for you. Beautiful. Church bells ringing in the distance. Oh man, this is the life, huh? State Museum. I don't know what's in that State Museum, but I'd like to go there. Let's ride on to the other side of the Capitol. See what it looks like. The rotunda. More old churches. So many old churches and old buildings in this area. That one's very cool. Let's see if I can go down this way. I see the Harrisburg Judicial Center here on my left. I only know that because the sign, the building says so. Right there behind me, Harrisburg Judicial Center. Hope to never be in there. Oh, here's the view right here. This fountain was popping last time I was here, I guess because it's wintertime, but the fountain's not going off anymore, but this is a good view right here. Yeah, buddy. I want to take you out to the oldest stone masonry arch bridge. It's a little bit farther down on the Capital Area Greenbelt, but yeah, let's go. Here we go. I'm back on the Capital Area Greenbelt along the Susquehanna River. I've rode this greenbelt before with my friend Matt. I'm not going to do that today, but I want to take you out to this oldest stone masonry arch bridge, which I've already said. Quit repeating yourself, Rocky. Let's check it out. This whole waterfront in Harrisburg is just beautiful. Unfortunately, the rest of the city is not like that. I personally haven't had any problems in Harrisburg, and I do think it's beautiful around the Capitol, but I haven't been further in. I heard it's not as nice, but I should not judge until I see for myself. Though I'm not gonna go just for no reason. I'm gonna need a reason. But lots of places like this to sit and watch the water. Hey, how'd that guy get down there? I want to get down there. I didn't even realize there was a road right there. Shoot. I gotta figure out how to get down there. Let me check. This will work. Got to carry my bike, but this will work. I thought the greenbelt was up there, or maybe it is. I don't know which is which, but I'd never even realized there was you can ride right here. So let's cruise. Let's check it out. It is much colder down here, which makes sense. But damn, But it's a beautiful morning. Exercise and warm up. No complaints. Unless I get a flat tire, then I'm gonna complain. And I've been getting a lot of flat tires lately. I got 5 in 6 months. Is that excessive? I don't know. I don't know if that's excessive or what, but I don't like it. But I'm kind of a master at changing tires now. Ew! I said oldest stone masonry arch bridge, but that's ridiculous. That thing must be, that's probably in Europe or something. What I meant to say is the longest stone masonry arch bridge. That's what we're gonna go see. And it's much farther than I remember.
But she sees it all.
Left. Sorry. Thank you. Morning. All right, I'm quite far from City Island now. If I get a flat tire out here, F-U-C-K. No, I just have to walk back or change my tire right here, but I don't remember if I even brought an extra tire with me. I'm pretty sure I did. But it's too cold to be out here changing tires. Numb hands. Yeah. Hopefully we get there soon. Sure would like some coffee. I just left the house without drinking coffee or anything. That was a huge mistake. I made a huge mistake. There you go, City of Harrisburg. I actually had to abort the bridge mission. Somehow I ended up on the highway, which you do not want to do on your bike. I know that, now I remember, you do have to pass the Capital Area Greenbelt, get off the Capital Area Greenbelt and keep going straight. The Area Greenbelt turns left right here, and the bridge is this way. But I remember now, me and Matt went through a neighborhood. I'm not gonna backtrack. That's okay, you don't care about bridges anyways, do you? Oh, you do? You want bridges? Well, I'll give you bridges. What are you guys doing here? Race? Yeah. Oh, should I not ride here? No, you're good. Is it okay? Okay. Race starts at 8:30. Okay, thanks. Well, I promised you guys bridges, and bridges you get. I don't know why there's so many bridges down here. I dig it. I love it. I love that there's so many bridges. I just don't know why. I know a couple of them collapsed from snow a few years ago. I think it was a few years ago in the early 2000s. I have to look that up. Here I go again, giving you, just making things up, giving you Rock Eastwood history. But that might have been a long time ago. That might have been the 60s, I'm not sure. But definitely there was a bridge that collapsed. But anyway, I really just wanted to show you around the Capitol building and here on the Harrisburg waterfront. Hope you enjoyed this little bike ride. Nothing much, just thought I'd bring you along. Catch you next time. And like that, he was gone.